let's talk onions today. I love onions. They're one of my favorite things to add to basically any dish. If I can throw an onion in it, I am going to do it. And did you know the average American eats over 18 pounds of onions a year? That's a pretty big deal. So we want to talk about how to preserve and store them so you can use them whenever you need. Onions can just store in a cool, dry place. You can put them in a paper bag. Just make sure you're not stacking them on top of each other because the weight on top of each other can cause them to have soft spots and then mold, so we want to avoid that. That is one of the best ways to store them. They don't need to be in the fridge unless you've chopped them open, you've used part of it, and you're trying to store part of it in the fridge. Then you can easily do that. Another great way is freezing. So freezing is the best to chop it up in little pieces and then throw it in sautés, soups, stews, all the things. Obviously, chopping can be an issue for a lot of people because onions can make you cry. One of my favorite tools is this right here because it chops it for you and then it goes right into this and you don't really have a lot of one-on-one contact with it. So we're just gonna chop it real quick. We're gonna set that in there just like this. And so don't feel bad, but you are gonna like beat on it a little bit here. Wonderful little pieces of diced onion. And that was such a time saver. Use this little secret and you will cry less in the kitchen and have amazing dishes.